Okay, so let's start off with selecting our object. Now we can open up the timeline and we want to set this current frame number to frame 0. So we want this blue line here to start off at frame 0. So now we can move over to the object properties here and we are going to animate this Y rotation. So let's just move a little bit to the right and then just click like that. And now you can see that we have our first keyframe here at frame 0. So let's just jump all the way to the end by holding down Shift and using the arrows. And now we can just type in 360 like that and go enter. And then set our second keyframe by just clicking. And if you hover your mouse over the timeline and go A and select both of these keyframes, we can just right click and go into the interpolation mode and set this to a linear speed. So now if I just drag this blue line here a little bit back, you can see that when it comes back into the first frame, it works in a perfect, smooth, flowy, loopy way. So that is all. Have a great day and peace out.